What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest calculated on the initial principal and also on the accumulated interest from previous periods. This means investment grow faster compared to simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal. If I might invest RM1000 ringgit at an annual interest rate of 5% compounded annually, after the first year, I might will earn an interest of RM50 ringgit, making a total of 1050 ringgit. In the second year, the interest is calculated on RM1050, yielding an interest of 52 ringgit 50 making a total of 1100 to 50 ringgit. The effect of this compounding increases the amount more significantly over time. Kakak invested RM20,000 in a YY investment scheme at an interest rate of 6.4% compounded monthly. 5 years later, she will withdraw RM2,500 from the account. If she decides to continue investing for another 3 years, what is the amount in her account at the end of the investment period? For the calculation, using by formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I of the bracket to the power of N. And the answer is going to be RM27,518.16 ringgit. Calculation 2. P is 25,018.16 S is 27,519.50 cents. K is 0.094. M is 12. T is 3 years. N is 36. Using by formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I of the bracket and to the power of N, and you will get the answer 30,298.48 cents.
Pauline deposit X into a savings account at 4.6% compounded quarterly. After 5.5 years, the bank reversed the rate to 5.3% compounded every 6 months. The amount in his saving after the end of 10 years is 15,276.27. Initial deposit A. Time 5.5 years. K. Interest rate is 0.046. Compounded quarterly M4. For the second period, total time invested is 10 years. To find the invested time is 10 minus 5.5 years, you will get 4.5 years. So for the second period, interest rate K is 0.053. For this, compounded frequently every 6 months, M is 2. So accumulated amount after 10 years is 15,276.27. A. Initial deposit S is 15,276.27. The K is 0.053. The M is 2, compounded every 6 months. The time is 4.5 years. To find the I, K must divide M. You will get 0.0265. To find the N, M must multiply T. 2 multiply 4.5, you will get 9. Using S equal P1 plus I N, 15,276.27 equals to P1 plus 0.053, N is 9. You will get P1.27. To solve this, 15,276.27 divide 1.27. The amount you will get is 122,028.06. So the amount after 5.5 years is 12,028.06. For the next one, compounded quarterly is 4. 12628.56 equals to P1 plus 0.046 divide by 4 to find this is the quarterly. To find the I, 4 multiply by 5.5, you will get 1.29. 12,028.56 divided by 1.29. The amount you will get is 9,324.47. B. Interest earned in the investment after 10 years. Total interest earned equal to final accumulated amount minus initial deposit. To find the interest earned, 15,276.27 minus 9,324.47. The total interest earned after the end of 10 years is 5,951.80.
What is annuity? An annuity is a series of equal payment made at regular time intervals. It is commonly used in finance, especially for loan, insurance, and retirement plan. This payment in an annuity can occur monthly, quarterly, annually, or at any other regular period. Apply on the term of annuity and its example. Annuity is a series of equal payment made or received at regular intervals over a period of time. It is commonly used in financial contexts such as loan, investment, or retirement saving, where interest is usually compounded periodically. For example, someone depositing monthly into a saving account that earns 5% annual interest compounded monthly for 3 years. Question 3. Mimi deposit RMS into a saving account that pay interest 6% compounded monthly. She aims to have 80,000 ringgit in years time for her dream balcony renovation. How much should she have deposit each month to reach her goal? Here is formula for annuity. S equal R bracket 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I. R is the periodic payment of the annuity, and then N the total number of payment, next I the interest rate per payment, and then lastly S amount of annuity. This is answer for question 3. Firstly, you list all the things that have been given. S equal 30,000, I equal 6% over 12, and you can get 0.005, and equal 12 multiply 5, and you can get 16, and then R is not given. Firstly, 80,000 equal R bracket 1 plus 0.005 over 16 minus 1 over 0.005, and then you can get 6977003051. After that, copy back, and R is brought forward, and 80,000 is brought back and become over, and R equal 80,000 over 6977003051, and then its last final answer is R equals 1146.62.
Question 4. A semi-house costing 500,000 and 367 ringgit in cash is purchased with 10% down payment. The remaining balance is to be paid through equal monthly installment of 2,303 ringgit. The interest charge was 4.25% compounded monthly. So we'll list down the information that we get. Total cost of the house 500,000 and 367 ringgit. Down payment, which is 10%. R equals to 2,303 ringgit. K equals to 4.25%, equivalent to 0.0425%. M equals to 12. T, we don't know the T, so we'll label it as unknown. Last one is I equals to K over M, or 0.0425 over 12. Question A. Calculate the number of equal payment required. A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of n divided by I. Next, 450,330 divided by 2,303, open bracket 4.25 divided by 12, close bracket, equals to 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 4.25 divided by 12 to the power of n. Next, 1 plus 4.25 divided by 12 to the power of n equals to 1 minus 450,330 divided by 2,303, open bracket 4.25 divided by 12, close bracket. Next, logs open bracket 1 plus 4.25 divided by 12 to the power of n equals to log 1 minus 450,330 divided by 2,303, open bracket 4.25 divided by 12, close bracket. The answer is n equals to log 1 minus 450,330 divided by 2,303, open bracket 4.25 divided by 12, divided by log 1 plus 4.25 divided by 12, close bracket. So the final answer is n equals to log 0.3074603778 divided by log 1.00354167. Final answer is 333.6 or 333. Question B. If the buyer misses the first 3-month payment, how much must be paid in the 4th month to settle all outstanding arrears? So we take 2,303 times it with 1.003542 to the power of 3 plus with 2,303 times 1.003542 to the power of 2 plus with 2,303 times it with 1.003542. After that, 2,303 times with 1.0107 plus 2,303 times 1.0071 plus 2,303 times 1.0035. The answer is 2,327 and 65 plus 2,319 and 38 plus 2,311 and 17. The final answer is 6,958 and 20 cents.